melody that we dedicate to our Papa who's here tonight. Papa!
Where's Papa Dong?
It's his first time here in the
Kasi si
US.
Papa, maliit din po kasi yung katulad namin eh. Papa, asan ka?
Basta
And
somewhere there.
we just want to share to you, first week of the month, na-hospitalize po yung papa namin. He got in ICU. And the doctor said, spend the day
With him.
with your papa. Because he's not gonna make it. But tonight, he's here. It's a miracle.
It's a miracle! Thank you, Lord!
Actually, dinala po namin siya dito. Pinagtrabahuhan po namin. And
First time niya po dito
he's
sa
a
LA.
tourist lang. And the goal is really to watch us perform tonight. So thank you, Lord.
Papa Dong, we love you.
So for this next song, allow us to bring you home with this beautiful OPM love songs. I love you, Papa.
Mama, we love you.
That's her mom over there. Mama, I love you.
Ang isang bituin, tanging pangarap sa Diyos ay hiling makapiling sa bawat sandali. Ikaw sa tuwing ka'y hanggang anong ligaya, sa tuwing ika'y ang nasa sa piling mo, ang gabi tila araw, ikaw ang pangarap, ikaw lamang. Kailangan kita. Bakit kailangan kita? Bakit ikaw sa hamog ang bulaklak tuwina?
Bakit ang hangin ay kailangan ng pilit, na kailangan ng pitik, na kailangan ng
Kailangan kita. Kung gano'y hindi ko alam, basta kailangan kita mapagkakita.